mind, chasing the summer. How long? As long as it takes to find.
Okay guys, that is the plane packed and pre-flighted. We are ready to head out to the High Sierra Fly-In 2022. It's my first time going to the event, so anytime it's, you know, your first rodeo with some busy air show kind of a thing, this is a STOL competition, you know, you're excited and want to make sure you know how to properly enter the area and stuff. This is an interesting one because it's not a typical airport. It's a dry lake bed in Nevada. There's a lot of procedures in place to keep everything safe, but it's still a very non-standard entry into a somewhat busy aviation area. So should be exciting, we'll be safe, and it is time to hit the road. We have about a 4-hour flight ahead of us. 1 to 2 fuel stops because we want to bring some fuel into Dead Cow with us. So we'll see what the actual ETA ends up being. But last night it said some tailwinds. We're going to check it right now. Hopefully we still are saying a little bit of tailwind to help us along to get to the High Sierra Fly-In 2022. Let's go. Okay, so just landed Lake County. It's a ghost town out here. There's not a sight of any souls. There are planes that people must use to fly, but haven't seen a person. I tried calling the fuel guy just to make sure that fuel point was working. Couldn't get a hold of anybody and haven't seen anybody, and I haven't seen any airplanes flying either, although there's some cool planes right here. We're going to gas up, and we have about an hour left to Dead Cow, so I'm pretty excited about that. Let's get this done and get on the Sky Road.
leaving all this behind. Chasing the summer, how long? As long as it takes to find the taste of another. Running naked in the street, getting stranger and stranger. How strong? Pour that palinka neat. I want a mouth full of danger. What you got for me? I wanna see the heart of the city. Oh, come on, keep it up, I don't want to sleep. Feeling oh so pretty.
Well, we made it. We're here. We're at Dead Cow. We're at High Sierra Fly-In. This is awesome. I would never have really thought that a few months after picking up plane, I'd be able to actually attend High Sierra. Super cool. There's people practicing their STOL drag out there. There are aerobatic displays practicing their routines. There's people tearing around on scooters, moto scooters.
Oh, you want to know about
Ryan
the STOL drags,
Bowen,
huh?
ladies and gentlemen. How's it going, man?
Good. Just get here?
Yeah.
Right on. Well, welcome.
Thank you. That was awesome. The Kit Fox gang came by and said hi. It's just been such a cool experience from beginning to end with this airplane. Instantly join a family. They're all super happy to help out and to welcome you in. And now I'm doing the STOL drag event thing. I mean, I'm not competing, but I'm super happy to be just here. It's so cool. Now I'm gonna go walk around, scope out the lay of the land basically, and I'll probably end up driving down to park where all the other Kit Foxes are, but I just figure I'd see what everything looks like first. Holy cow, it's a long way down there though. I can see why people bring vehicles in their air vehicle to drive around while they're on the ground. Oh well. Feels good to be out of the airplane anyway. Finally tied down and set up, so time to get some food and handle the bonfire, I guess.
It feels like